Hey, what's up, lovely people? It is Desmond right here, right? So, in this particular video, I'll be showing you how to hide your folders, hide your files, so that if anybody even get to access your computer or your laptop, the person cannot see those hidden files or those hidden folders. Take note that this is also secured by a password, okay? That means only you get access to these files when you need them only. Okay. Now, don't forget to stick around to the end of this video. And if it worked for you, drop it worked in the comment section. Like, comment, and share. And also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Right. Let's get into it. So I'm in my C drive currently. Okay. And I am going to create a folder in my C drive. You can create a folder anywhere in the directories on your laptop, all right? But preferably it should be in your C drive because nobody really comes to tamper with folders or files in your C drive, okay? So I'm going to create a folder in my C drive and I'm going to call it secure safe, okay? So secure safe, okay? So I'm going to open this secure safe. It's open. Initially, it is empty. So we are going to create a TST file or a test document, okay? So I'll come up here, I click on test document, okay? And I'm going to name my test document play. Take note that you can name it anything you want, okay? Anything you want, but advisably, you should name it, you should give it a clown name. So if somebody even gets to see this particular file, the person wouldn't even go into it to see what is actually in there. Okay, so I'm going to name my play. You can name yours locker, anything you want, actually, right? So I'm going to edit my play.txt file, okay, and I'm going to put some contents in there, okay. So this is my play.txt file. I'm going to paste some code here. I'll leave the code in my description, okay, so you all should not worry about it. So now in the pasted code, okay, calm down, okay, and you can see your password here, right? Now change this your password here to the password you want to secure your file with, okay, the password you want to secure your file with. In my case, for demonstration purposes, I'm going to say testing 123. You all can see this is my password, all right? I'm going to save and I'm going to close this particular file. Good. So now we're back to where we named our file. Okay. Now we are going to rename this file again, but this time around it's going to be the extensions. Okay. So I'm going to rename this file and I'm going to rename it to, I'm going to change the extension from TST to a BAT file, BAT. Okay. So I'm going to rename, and are you sure you want to change it? Yes, I'm sure I want to change it. So I change it. Now it's not a BAT file. So a BAT file is some kind of automated file that runs a couple of processes in the background or in the back end. Okay, it communicates with your computer or your personal laptop directly to issue some commands. Okay, now let's double click the BAT file. This is you creating your BAT file initially. So this is the first time you're creating a BAT file. The next step is double click on your BAT file, okay, and see what happens. So as you can see, it's created a folder called private for me, okay. So in this folder is where you are going to keep all your important stuffs, all files, all folders you want to keep hidden from everyone if they even have access to your laptop or your personal computer, right? So I'm coming to my document, right? And I'm going to pick some files in here for demo purposes, and I'm going to hide them in my secure safe, right? So I'll come here, secure safe, and in my private, I'm going to paste them here, okay? Now, I pasted them here. So let's say you add a number of all files, all folders you want to hide from everyone, all right? You just have to go back, right? And this is how you lock it. Now, you have to click twice on the play the bat or your bat file you created. So double click on it. Are you sure you want to lock this folder? Yes, I'm sure. You type Y, hit enter, and you see the folder has disappeared. The private folder has disappeared. So if Even anybody comes here and sees where the directory of the plate of bat or your bat file is, nobody knows or can see any folder, right? And now there's how you get to access your folder anytime you want it or anytime you need it. Okay, you have to double click on your plate of bat again. So let me demo to you. Double click and it brings up a command, right? Enter password to unlock, right? The password we entered initially is what we are going to unlock our files with it. Okay, so if you took note, I entered my password as 123 testing 123. So I hit enter and let's see what happens. It brings back my private file, my private folder. I can interact with the files in there, and if I'm done, I could just go back. I could just hit on the play the button and lock my folder again. So if you come here, let's reopen the secure save, right? If you reopen the secure save, you see there is no private folder. It is fully secured. If somebody even gets to double click on this, the person will need a password, which means it is almost impossible for anybody to tamper with those files or those folders that you've hidden, right? Pretty much simple, pretty cool. And I'm going to end the video right here. If it worked for you, leave it worked in the comments. Share to your peers to also try it out, because I believe privacy is key. Don't forget to like my videos, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you all in the next video. Peace.